video, we're going to talk about the Optimus Robot, what it does, what it's going to do, and how it could possibly change the way we clean our home. Get to it. This is an actual action figure of the Tesla robot. The Tesla robot is not available yet. It was sold out in 24 hours. It's supposed to be a collector's item, but I was so excited about it, I bought the action figure. It'll be available at the end of this year. It is available now for pre-order, but you're going to pay $23,600. That is for the model that is going to be released first. The model is what we're going to be talking about today, but the other step up is $43,600 and $63,600. But we're going to talk about the $23,600. This one is made for light cleaning in your home. It can also do some shopping, it can do some errands, it can also do light caretaking, do all their work. $23,000, I can hire this for my cleaning business. I'm calling sick or nothing. It only needs a 2-hour charge. It runs 8 hours and then it'll need a 2-hour charge. Then you can run it another 8 hours, but every 8 hours it's going to need a 2-hour charge. To lift up to 45 pounds, it has a charging station like this that it knows when it's low. I don't know how to get it. So for me, I've just been so excited about this, dreamed about it my whole life. I am a professional cleaning lady for 30 years. Well, I always wanted a robot. Like, who doesn't want a robot to get out? It knows when it's low, and it goes to its charging station and it will charge itself. It listens to voice commands. It could be hooked up to Alexa. It maps out your home and you can teach it and train it. It's voice activated, so if I say go do the laundry, it knows to go do the laundry. So I was going to hire this or buy this for my cleaning service and thinking, wow, this is going to be way better than an employee. But then I was thinking, if my customers could just buy this, is this the end of the cleaning business? Is this what everybody will have in their home? But I think it's very obtainable for someone because it frees up your time so you can do other stuff. It will do manual tasks for you. It can mow your lawn. It can walk your dog, do laundry. It can do your dishes. It can do light cooking. It can help take care of your mom. It can also watch your children. This is really going to be a game changer. I want to know what you think. Do you want one of these in your house? And how do you think that is going to change the future of cleaning? I'm wondering how fast he'll be. I did read his speed, and it seems to go about the speed of a human. So it can clean for you all day while you're at work. Then it's going to charge for 2 hours. And then it can clean up your dishes, do your laundry, walk your dog, do all those things before you need to go to bed. I'm curious, do you want one of these? And do you think households will buy one of these for $23,000? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share to your friends, channel to grow, and happy cleaning.